Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Crash video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sound like Che. I covered one of his most recent songs called Miley Cyrus, so the preset is going to be revolved around that sound. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, so I'm going to play the first few seconds of the song where he's actually talking, and I'm going to play with all the presets on and everything.
My love like sex, Popeyes and ecstasy. No, it's been the next. I ain't read the text. That lie was so dead to me. I woke up and stepped. Cartiers I stepped. I made jeans I stepped. Yeah, I'm turning X, bitch. I just want your neck. I don't do the sex. I don't know we met. Bullets to his chest. She told me the best. Yeah, she give me back.
Alright, so this has 4 total presets. I'm gonna have the FOP up. I'm gonna do a full cover to the song, and then I'm gonna put the FOP up if you want that, so y'all can see how the presets manage, I guess. So you know, this is a simple preset and everything. I'm gonna play the main vocals by itself.
My love like sex, Popeyes and ecstasy. No, it's been the next. I ain't read the text. That lie was so dead to me. I woke up and stepped.
So this is what it sounds like by itself.
My love like sex, Popeyes and ecstasy. No, it's been the next. I ain't read the text. That lie was so dead to me. I woke up and stepped. Cartiers I stepped. I made jeans I stepped. Yeah, I'm turning X, bitch. I just want your neck. I don't.
Alright, so yeah, for the route right here, you're just gonna have to put, you know, the route or whatever you're gonna have to put the route on the mixer track, and then whatever vocal chain, which is gonna be all of them, you just put it like this. So you click on here on the route, and then you unlink it to the master, and you're gonna have to do that for this one, and this one, and then the route is the one that's gonna be on the master. And okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for the routing. I'm gonna play the ad-libs together, and so I'm playing like right here in this area. So there's 2 different ad-libs. This is the normal. This first one that's just ad-lib is just gonna be the normal one, I guess. And then fast delays is gonna be this one. You're gonna tell. I'm gonna play it all by itself, so you can tell the difference. You see the delay, or you hear the delay? It's more. It's just faster, pretty much. And this is the normal ad-lib. You know what I mean? So he just did it to like accent like specific spots, and it's just normal backing, I guess. There's no like layers or anything to his vocals, and it's just really these simple presets. And like, to get his sound, you're really gonna just want to like mumble like your lyrics and just barely even like speak, to be honest. I play all with no preset, so y'all could hear that. And I'm gonna put the presets back on as we go, so y'all could hear the difference that the presets really make. Oh shit. So alright, there you go.
My love like sex, Popeyes and ecstasy. No, it's been the next. I ain't read the text. That lie was so dead to me. I woke up and stepped. Cartiers I stepped. I made jeans I stepped. Yeah, I'm turning X, bitch. I just want your neck. I don't do the sex. I don't know we met. Bullets to his chest. She told me the best. Yeah, she give me back.
And shit, yeah, that's really it, honestly. If y'all need any help, just let me know on Instagram or Discord at 7akkiro. And join our Discord too. We made a Discord, but we haven't really we need to make it poppin', bro. I ain't gonna lie, like we're gonna have like requests and shit on there too. But I mean, yeah, that's really it. I hope y'all have a good day. Peace out.